Hello, Roseville residents. We've got great news to share. If you have lost important data, do not panic. Secure Data Recovery has partnered up with Promax Cell Phone Repair in Roseville to provide you with reliable and convenient data recovery services. Whether you have a failed hard drive, water-damaged phone, or a crashed server, you can trust Secure Data Recovery to help you out. Simply head to the service desk at Promax Cell Phone Repair and our friendly staff will assist you. No appointment necessary. To find us at 5140 Foothills Boulevard, Suite 130, Roseville, California 95747, head north on Foothills Boulevard from Blue Oaks Boulevard. Turn left at Pleasant Grove Boulevard, then take the first left onto Etiwanda Avenue. Take the first right and we'll be on your right-hand side. There's plenty of parking available in the shopping center where Promax Cell Phone Repair is located. At Secure Data Recovery, we're a trusted nationwide leader with the highest recovery rate for damaged hard drives, phones, SSDs, flash drives, and RAIDs. When you've lost important data, do not worry, we'll get it back for you. We'll start by diagnosing your device free of charge in our audited Secure Data Recovery labs and provide you with a detailed report and quote for successful recovery of your data. You're never obligated to proceed and will only pay upon successful recovery. We guarantee your data back or you don't owe us anything. It's as simple as that. So don't let data loss hold you back. Get in touch with us today or pop into the Promax Cell Phone Repair store in Roseville and let us help you recover your precious files.